Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some colourful bookmarks with a recent purchase I received from Aliexpress. They were some beautiful colourful dotty feathers and patterned feathers, and I ordered some more because I had a few left that I used to use when I used to put them on my nails when I done nail art, but because I don't do my nails anymore, and I found them when I was going through some bits and thought, oh, I wonder how they would work in resin. So I have already previously made a gift set of a coaster, bookmark and a keyring decorated with feathers, and I will link that in the description box below. But for now I thought, as I got my new purchase, so I've got some more colours, that I would have a go and just make some new bookmarks. So I've just filled these two bookmark moulds with a very thin layer of clear resin. I've got my feathers ready prepared and I'm just placing them into the foil into the bookmark mould. I really don't know where that word comes from. I'm placing them into the bookmark mould on top of the clear resin. That's one for the bloopers. So we're just going to squish them because I had one extra that I needed to place because I wanted to try and get a variety of colours. And because that white one is rather small, we squished that and made a gap so I could place the light pink one, I do believe it is. And we had fun and games babysitting these, pushing the ends under the resin, and they kept popping up and I kept pushing them back down and they kept popping up. And there is only so long you can sit there and just keep pushing down the end of the feather before the resin starts to get too tacky that you end up ruining the piece. So I ended up having to leave it and hope it didn't pop up out too much, and it didn't, so that wasn't too bad. So there was a bit too much resin in that one, so I just use a cotton bud just to twirl off the top, and it just takes a little bit out of it. So that's that one, the dotty feathers. And now we will start on these other feathers, and they're a bit longer in shape, and these have a nice, like, I don't know, it's a weird pattern inside them, but as you see, they all fitted perfectly. So again, just pushing them down to make sure they don't float around in the resin and they stay where I want them to. And then I'm just going to spritz with some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. I changed my mind with that one and turned it round. You can see I'm pushing that red, that was the naughty one, the bottom of that red feather. Yeah, but like I said, spray with some isopropyl alcohol just to pop any bubbles, and then leave them to dry. And then I put another layer of resin over them when they were dry, but I didn't bother to film that bit because it was just clear resin going over the top. And then when that was dry, they were completely ready to unmould, and that is what you can see me doing here. Just look how pretty they look suspended in that clear resin. And here is the other style of feather. Again, super gorgeous. I'm really happy with how they come out. I just need to quickly deburr the edges, and all this does is just smooths them down so they're not sharp. And I just go round on all four edges, and I will do the top and the bottom, but I'll quickly do that off camera. I just wanted to quickly show you how I prepare my resin pieces for sale. So these will be available soon, and check out the links in the description box below. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.